Good news for all the students attempting Strategic Business Leadership exam and Advanced Performance Management exam in the upcoming March 25 attempt. As you guys know that these both papers of ACCA requires drastic drafting practice, and for that I am announcing a crash course. In this course, I am going to take the recent papers that ACCA has issued for all these exams, and then I'll be solving in front of the students in the live classes, as well as they will be given a recorded lectures. So if you guys are attempting SBL or Advanced Performance Management exam in March 25, this crash course is valid for you. You will be given individual assignments which I'll be marking and getting it checked for you, and apart from that I'll be taking live classes for all the recent questions that ACCA has issued. Now if you guys want to enroll, so you guys can visit on our website, or you guys can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So if you guys are looking to give exams in March 25, these crash courses are valid for you. Thank you.